Page break and line break. Let us learn about page break and line break. Page break. Page breaks are used to end a page without filling it with text. To insert page break, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the cursor at the position where you want to start a new page. Click on Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Breaks command in the Page Setup group. Step 3. Click on Page option from drop-down menu. Line break. Line break ends the current line and lets you continue the text on the new line. Line break creates new line but does not add a paragraph. To add a line break in Word, place the cursor where you want to break and press Shift plus Enter key.